we get hot.
Yeah. This weekend was kind of, it was hot, but
Yeah.
not maybe terrible to a lot of us, especially today with a little bit of rain. Tomorrow, though, we do have that heat advisory that goes into effect. And then we also have some rain chances this week. So each day a little bit different, but overall it's kind of your typical summer pattern. We have some heat, and then we also have the chance for those afternoon storms. Still pretty hot, very hot, in fact, in parts of the U.S. tonight, but we are now in the 80s. Here is our heat advisory area, except for our extreme coastal spots. We're all included into Mississippi under this heat advisory tomorrow, noon to 7 p.m. You know what to do. Drink water, take breaks in the shade or AC if you have to be outside, especially if you're working or exercising or something like that. We'll have that in effect noon to 7 again tomorrow. Temperatures right now in the 80s. Our feels like temperatures mostly in the 90s, still as high as about 95 plus, thanks to that higher humidity, that high dew point temperature, which has moved in compared to yesterday. It's gone up a little bit. You may have noticed that. I was pointing out our radar quiet now, but earlier today we did have a few of those showers. Tonight, we're expecting mainly dry conditions. We'll continue with a few clouds, and our North Shore and south of Lake Pontchartrain temperatures are expected officially in the 70s, but we will very quickly be getting into the 80s and then 90s tomorrow. So hot, humid feel. Our rain chance, I have near 30 or 40% for some spotty showers and maybe a couple of storms. Notice for your Monday forecast, starting off again, quickly jumping through the 80s with lots of sunshine, seeing some clouds build by the midday and afternoon, and our rain chance highest probably middle of the afternoon to early evening, and then the rain chance drops off as we get into the evening hours and lose that daytime heating. So this is our forecast model again, Monday noon. Couple of showers starting to pop up. This takes us to 4 p.m. and you can see some rain out there here and there. This is on towards 6 p.m. Most rain coming to an end if we do see any. And then by 10 p.m. we will be quiet and temperatures will be back in the 80s. The upper pattern this week is featuring, of course, the big high that seems like has been somewhere lately, whether it's right over us or very close to us. But this week it should shrink back a little bit to the west and allow this troughing feature to drop into the southeastern U.S. So we will eventually have, I think, slightly higher chances of rain because of this. But actually, even tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, I still have at least a chance for a few spotty or isolated afternoon storms. On our surface map, this is at the end of the week. Notice we have a front. We wish we could pull these fronts all the way down south across our area this time of year, but there's just not a push like we see at other points in the year to get those surface features through and get cooler air into our area. So this will stay hovering to the north. This is by Saturday, and you can see some scattered rain cropping up. So we do have that chance for rain likely increasing a little bit heading into the weekend. Even by the end of this week, Thursday, maybe a near 40 or 50% rain chance. Right now, models are showing Wednesday a little drier, but Monday and Tuesday, pretty decent chance, very near average chance actually for scattered storms, about 30 to 40% both afternoons. And in the tropics, we really do not have much going on anymore. The one spot being highlighted right now is this area we've been talking about, very close to the coast of Mexico. It now has a 10% chance of development. So we're not expecting this to actually develop into a depression or storm, but it is bringing cloud cover and rain into northern Mexico. It is generally drifting that way. And I think that's about all. I'm not sure if that will even be highlighted later tonight as it does continue moving it to the northwest and then through the middle and probably end of the week too. Everything looking pretty quiet across the Gulf of Mexico. Our 7-day forecast shows, again, looking pretty summer-like, right? We have our temperatures in the lower 90s, although tomorrow may be a touch hotter in the mid-90s, hence that heat advisory. And then our rain chance between roughly 20 and 40% through Saturday. Models show a little bit more rain around Saturday to Sunday, so just be ready next weekend for some of those pop-up showers and storms.